If you are preparing for UPSC, Higher Judicial Services, PCS, or any other competitive exams, this video is for you. Because in today's video, I will be discussing 15 constitutional questions that are not merely theoretical but are among the questions I personally encountered while appearing in the UPSC and Higher Judicial Services examinations. These questions are repeatedly asked, sometimes directly and sometimes hidden inside stories. If you are serious about constitution, watch till the end because missing even one of these questions means missing marks you deserved. And also let me know in the comments if you want more such videos. Now, let's start with question number 1. Question number 1. Write short note on the state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution of India. Under Article 12, the term state includes, answer, under Article 12, the term state includes the government and Parliament of India, state governments and legislature of each state, local authorities and other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India. The purpose of Article 12 is to ensure fundamental rights enforceable not only against the government but also against government control bodies. Article 12 has already been discussed by me in detail in an earlier video where it was explained through a simple story for conceptual clarity. You may refer to that video for a deeper understanding. Now, let's proceed to the question number 2. Question number 2. Write about the basic structure of the Constitution of India, whether the basic structure can be amended in exercise of the power under Article 68 of the Constitution. Answer. The basic structure means certain core features like supremacy of the Constitution, rule of law, judicial review under Article 32 and 226, secularism, separation of power between the legislature, the executive and the judiciary, federal character of the Constitution, democracy. These basic structures cannot be destroyed. In a landmark case of Keshanand Bharti versus State of Kerala 1973, the Supreme Court held that Parliament can amend the Constitution under Article 68 but cannot alter or destroy the basic structure. Question number 3. Describe the procedure for impeachment of the President. Answer. The President can be impeached for violation of the Constitution under Article 61 and the procedure is that the charge against him may be initiated by either House of Parliament, giving at least 14 days advance notice, 2/3 majority of the total membership. The charge is then investigated by other house and passes a resolution. Thus, it is a very rigid process to ensure dignity of the office. Next question, question number 4. Write short note on the power of the President to consult Supreme Court. Under Article 143, the President may seek the advisory opinion of the Supreme Court on question of law or fact which is of public importance. This opinion is not binding on him but has great constitutional value. So, here under Article 143, 3 points must be remembered. That is, number 1, advisory opinion, number 2, law or fact, number 3, public importance. If you remember these 3 points, your concept will be clear with regard to this particular question. Now, let's proceed to the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5. Expression. Procedure established by law. Occurring in Article 21 was expanded in which case? Answer. It was expanded in the case of Menka Gandhi versus Union of India 1978. In this case, the Supreme Court held that the procedure must be fair, just and reasonable, not arbitrary. This judgment has transformed Article 21 into a golden triangle with Article 14 and 19. Why it is called the golden triangle? Because Article 14, 19 and 21 were read together and not separately. So Article 21 got strengthened through the test of equality, freedom, life and personal liberty. Next question, question number 6. Scope of Article 356 was examined in which case? Answer. The scope of Article 356 was examined in the case of S.R. Bomai versus Union of India in 1994. Through this judgment, the Supreme Court restricted the misuse of Article 356, that is President's Rule, and strengthened Indian federalism, and also held that the President's satisfaction is subject to judicial review. Next question, that is question number 7. Doctrine of eclipse relates to which article? It relates, doctrine of eclipse relates to Article 13. Doctrine of eclipse means a law inconsistent with fundamental rights is not void of initio but becomes inoperative till the inconsistency is removed. Next question, question number 8. Fundamental rights conferred by Article 15 Clause 1 of the Constitution is available to whom? Answer. Article 15 Clause 1 of the fundamental rights are available only to the citizen of India. Article 15 Clause 1 is available only to citizen of India, and it prohibits discrimination by the state on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Let's proceed to question number 9. Collective responsibility is incorporated in which article? Collective responsibility is incorporated in Article 75 Clause 3. Clause 3 of Article 75 says that the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha, meaning one minister's fault is the responsibility of. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 10. Constitutional safeguards to the civil servants have been given in which article? Answer. Article 311. This article protects civil servants from arbitrary dismissal, removal or reductions in rank without inquiry. Next question, that is question number 11. Who of the following cannot be removed by the Parliament and why? A. Attorney General, B. Auditor General, C. Election Commissioner, D. Chief Justice of India. The correct answer is Attorney General, because he holds office during the pleasure of the President and as such not removable by Parliament. Article 76 of the Constitution provides that the Attorney General can be removed by the President at any time and not by the Parliament, because Parliament has no role in his appointment or removal. Next question, that is question number 12. Who allows the introduction of the Finance Bill? A. President, B. Finance Minister, C. Prime Minister, D. Speaker. The correct answer is President. Under Article 117, a finance bill can be introduced only with the President's recommendation. Next question, that is question number 13. The President's rule under Article 356 remains valid in a state for the maximum period of A. 1 year, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. 4 years. The correct answer is 3 years maximum. Initially 6 months, then extended with parliamentary approval subject to constitutional conditions. Next question, that is question number 14. What is the meaning of double jeopardy? Answer. Under Article 20, Clause 2, no person shall be prosecuted and punished more than once for the same offence. Last question, that is question number 15. The appropriate writ issued by the court to quash the appointment of a person to a public office is that of A. Prohibition, B. Certiorari, C. Quo warranto, D. Mandamus. The correct answer is writ of Quo warranto, because it questions by what authority a person holds a public office. One line memory trick. Article 12, who can violate my fundamental rights? Article 21, after Menka Gandhi's case, law must be fair, not just written. Article 356, after Bomei's case, center cannot dismiss states casually. Quo warranto, by what authority are you sitting there? One line summary. Indian Constitution is not just about power, it is about controlled power. Now tell me, which of these 15 questions have you already seen in your exam or mock test? Comment the questions number below. Further, I would like to conclude by saying that the constitutional preparation is not about reading more books, but about recognizing the right question at the right moment. If these questions helped you see the Constitution from examiner's perspective, do share your feedback in the comments, and I will continue bringing such experience-based constitutional discussion for your preparation. Thank you.